speechless. No words, baby, say less. Come and help me undress. I got something to confess. Oh, you're everything that I want. You got everything that I need. And I love that you love making love to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I'm straightening my hair. Alright guys, so today I am straightening my hair again. This is the first time I've straightened it since like Christmas time. So I say it's almost a year because the last time I really recall straightening it was my birthday last year. But I decided to straighten it again for my birthday this year, and it turned out very well. It is very voluminous, very full. And yeah, so if y'all are interested in seeing my curly to straight routine, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I use the Pre-Poo and the Cream Cleansing Shampoo from Care. This is their Thermal Wonder system. And these products are bomb. I used it the last time I straightened my hair, which was almost a year ago. And I'm super excited to make this video. This video is not a partnership with Care. This is just honestly and truly the best my hair ever turned out when I used this heat protectant system. And so I'm using it again this year. Like I said, I used the Pre-Poo on my hair and it made my hair super soft before I washed it, and then I washed it with this shampoo, and right now my hair has no product in it. And it's a little bit dry. It's still damp here and there, but it's a little bit dry. I just like towel dried my hair when I got out the shower. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the hair straightening part. As you guys do know, I do blow dry my hair first and then I straighten it. And this video is again no heat damage, minimizing heat damage because you're using the Thermal Wonder heat protectant system, and it definitely works because my curls were still popping after I had my hair straight last year, so I know it'll work again this year. So I'm gonna just go in and use some of the Thermal Wonder 6-in-1 heat protectant spray, and I'm just gonna spray a light coat throughout my hair because you don't want to have a lot of product in your hair when you're trying to get that silk press look. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna try to talk to you guys more so y'all can feel, you know, reeled in and all up close and personal with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, so I just loosely did that. So you want to go ahead and section your hair and blow dry it out. And I get the most questions about this blow dry right here. This is my Golden Hot blow dryer. It has 3 settings, low, medium, and high. And then it has the little cold button so you can use cold air as well. Y'all, I'm having some technical difficulties. So I'm going to use my red blow dryer. It's the same blow dryer. I have like 3 of them, and some of them just don't be acting right. And this one, the comb don't really fit, so excuse my ratchetness. Alright, so just like every other hair straightening video, I go ahead and section my hair to start with the back, and I do the chasing method with a rat tooth comb, kind of like this one, a rat tooth, a rat tail comb, kind of like this one, or I'll use one of these teasing combs, which has like 3 rows of teeth. And then the flat iron I'm using is the red ceramic tourmaline flat iron, and I put it between 400 and 450, so like right at 425. This is what it looks like, and this is like my favorite flat iron. I got this from the hair store, and it's literally probably 20 bucks, if that. Anywhere from like $17 to $25. This is your girl. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start flat ironing from the back, and it's a little bit hard to see because I'm doing it myself, but y'all see it when I get to the front, okay? Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. Let me come up close so you guys can see. I definitely need to trim my ends because they're looking a little raggedy. And I will say I wasn't expecting to be shook on the length of my hair. It pretty much looks the same as last year, even though I know it's probably a little bit longer, but not that much. I mean, I was hoping it was like bra strap length, which it is, pretty much. Y'all, I got my shirt inside out, but it's pretty much bra strap length. But I really want my hair to be like here. So maybe that's the goal for next year. It's about there, but I want it to be here in full on the ends. So I'm gonna just go ahead and trim my ends. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and bump the ends because as y'all know, I always like to bump my hair. I don't like leaving it bone straight just because I feel like I have more personality when it's bumped and stuff. But I may do a few slow-mos with my hair straight because it just, my hair ain't never been like this long and this healthy, so. And then I did dye my hair. It's jet black, and it's the Dark and Lovely box dye. So it's not, like I said, I'm not a super natural hair guru where I be like reading the ingredients or making sure I don't do anything to damage my hair. Life's too short. Just do what you want to do, you know what I'm saying? And it's hair, it'll grow back. And if y'all want a hair story, I shaved the size of my hair, and the last time I went to the barbershop is in 2015. So my hair has grown back out, so I am a perfect person to tell you that your hair will grow back. So I'm about to go ahead and bump my hair and everything like that, and when I'm finished with that, I'll show you guys the final results. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. I'm not sure which side I want to wear my hair in, and my curls are like just all over the place right now. But yeah, this is the finished look. This is my natural hair straightened. All right, guys, so my final thoughts. I am not, you know, shook like I wanted to be shook about the length of my hair. It's still pretty long, and it's the longest my hair has ever been, so I can't complain, and I am thankful that my hair is growing and it's healthy and the color came out good. It's supposed to rain all week, so this is probably not going to last long, but I'm going to try to film some videos while I have my hair straight. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so y'all can give me a little happy birthday. By the time this is up, it may be after my birthday, but we'll see. I'll try to do a little something for y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself. And be you, Tipple. Bye, guys.
Me speechless. No words, baby, say less. Come and help me undress. I got something to confess. Oh, you're everything that I want.